all the four seasons of year completely give different look in the Kashmir Valley, whether it is the spring, summer, autumn or winter. But most attractive season in the Kashmir is considered as the autumn season. There is reason behind it. Basically, during this season of the year, most of the chinar leaves change their color from green to red, and in fact the falling of chinar leaves from the chinar trees gives different attraction in the atmosphere. That is why most of the tourists particularly wait for this season of year to get the glimpse of chinar leaves turning their color to red, and also the falling of these leaves from the trees. In fact, the former Prime Minister of country, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, was always witnessing this season in Kashmir during the autumn. But in fact, due to the global warming in last few decades, now this season is getting delayed in the Kashmir Valley. This season was earlier starting in the last week of September. Now it is the mid-November. Still, the leaves from the chinar trees are not falling, and the experts completely believe that it is the global warming impact on the season here in the Kashmir Valley. Despite all these odds, the tourists in the large numbers come only Kashmir in this season to witness this beauty of Kashmir during autumn.
ये बताइए, जो आप कश्मीर में आपने ये सिलेक्ट सीजन किया है आने का,
हाँ,
इसका रीज़न क्या है?
ये reason due to winter due to chinar leaves, because we like this beautiful leaves, colors and trees.
Okay.
So this is garden and trees and leaves are very beautiful and most attractive.
So आपने सुना होगा कि जो बड़ी बड़ी पर्सनैलिटीज़ थी, लाइक इंदिरा गांधी, फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर, वो भी चिनार लीव को ही देखने आती थी. ऐसा क्या है इस चिनार लीव?
इसको देख के समझ लो ना, दिल खुश हो जाता है. This is some kind of good experience, because we don't have this kind of leaves and atmosphere and trees in our state. So we like this, especially trees, leaves and atmosphere. So basically for that purpose we are coming here.